Today we are looking at a brand new travel trailer, although it looks vintage because it's a vintage cruiser. It's a 2025 is the year on it, and it's the 19 ERD floor plan. This is a very popular model, lots of nice features both inside and out. And first of all, let's start with the obvious, the design of it. This looks like a vintage 1950s trailer. Gulfstream has been making these vintage cruisers for about 10 years now, so it's the 10-year anniversary of the vintage cruiser. This one is a nice cherry red decal package, and it's got this great look to the outside. Classic decals like you'd have in the 50s. You've got this nice aerodynamic swoop over the entire trailer, which not only fits the period, makes it aerodynamic, but it's also a single piece of fiberglass from the very front all the way over top, all the way down to the very bottom. Really helps eliminate any worries about having seals, delamination, or things break on the roof of the trailer. Walking around, you'll notice some other things that you might not get on an old vintage trailer, but you will with these new 2025s. You're going to have a nice powered tongue jack in the front, two 20-pound propane tanks that are covered. You've got a great pass-through storage area here, which still is separated from the indoor storage underneath the bed. Often you'll lift up that master bedroom bed. It drops down just into this area. This way it's completely separate, so you can store outdoor things such as these extra power cords, extra camping chairs, blankets, anything that's dirty or sandy, gritty, you can keep out from the interior. You've got these great tinted windows throughout the unit, which obviously look really nice against this decal, but they do a great job at regulating the air temperature on the inside of the trailer, plus giving you some privacy. Walking around to the rear, you'll see these decals are continued throughout the entire trailer. You've got this nice badge of the vintage cruiser, this great cherry red diamond plating. You've got a nice bumper, and if you didn't notice before, you get these beautiful hubcaps to the trailer as well. This is backup camera ready, but it doesn't have a backup camera on it as of yet. If you want to upgrade to that, you can add it on there easily with that setup. And walking around this side, you'll notice you have a great powered awning, almost the full length of the trailer. It's got LED lights on it if you're outside in the evening. And although it's a slightly windy day, you'll notice this friction hinge door does a great job at holding where it should be, so you're not having it slam into the trailer. Last thing to mention about the outside is you've got a nice little TV mount here. Makes it really easy to rotate your TV from inside to outside of the trailer. You've got the outdoor speakers above it, and you've got some manual stabilizers around the trailer as well. Stepping onto the inside here is where it's really going to show off that 1950s feel. You've got this great kind of diner aesthetic throughout the entire trailer. Get these nice custom curtains with it. This great kind of vinyl leather cushion, and you even get some custom pillows and blankets in the rear. This is a rear dinette floor plan, the 19 ERD. It's a 23-foot travel trailer altogether, but a 19-foot floor plan. And this is going to be kind of your bonus sleeping area. So obviously it's a dinette. You can sit here, have your meals, play some card games, but when you are ready to have this convert to an extra bed, this table is going to drop down onto these nice large rubber spacers here. It's going to be flat, and then you can add these cushions on top of that to make it an extra bed. Turning over to this side, you still have the 1950s touch, but all these modern things like a nice stainless steel sink. You've got a 3-burner stovetop, a nice stainless steel traditional microwave up above, decent amount of storage throughout this unit, as well as over here with your entertainment system. And with this being a brand new 2025, you are going to have solar power on the roof. You've got a 100-watt solar powered panel on the roof, which means you can have this nice large full electric fridge freezer combo. Full electric is a great touch. Sorry for my cough there. Is a great touch and a nice little extra feature for these newer trailers. The washroom on this unit is in the middle, and it's got a really nice feature to it. You've got your shower here on the right hand side with these nice built-in shelves, great skylight. Flipping over to this side, you're going to have your toilet and your sink in a separate area. But the feature I like about this is this door has two purposes. Now you can close it fully on this side. If you want to officially lock it, you've got a little deadbolt up here to lock it. But now it treats this room as an ensuite. You've got your great bed here. You've got extra lighting above, both with a nice bright white LED and this softer kind of blue light, which is great for reading or anything in the middle of the night, not too harsh on the eyes. You've got great wardrobe storage on either side of this unit. If you want a little bit of privacy and not having this full ensuite setup, sorry for my cough again, you've got this curtain that you can drag across over and separate that area. You've got a spot to mount your TV. And as I mentioned outside, lifting up this, you've got nice gas springs, which keeps this lifted up. You've got storage underneath, separate from your pass-through storage area. So if you're looking for a brand new travel trailer but love that vintage style, love the new amenities, that is what the vintage cruiser is designed for. You've got great construction on it, 3-year warranty, and all of these new trailers are built with this Azdel Advantage. It's a synthetic composite for wood. It doesn't absorb moisture, won't rot, won't mildew, and it weighs less than wood. So you've got all these brand new features on an old style trailer. And if you want to see everything else this trailer has to offer, come on down and check it out at Long Haul Trailers in Listowel.